Data nerds, ChatGPT just released DALL 3 as a plugin for ChatGPT Plus users. And I think it has some unique use cases besides just generating some cute panda pics. So the first thing I actually tried with this is generating fancy or futuristic looking graphs. It initially told me that it wasn't possible, but after further prompting, I was able to get it to generate a few different prototypes, and I didn't really find this use case useful. But although it can't generate those graphs that I need, I did find that it could be used to generate backgrounds for things like dashboards or even websites or PowerPoints. Here's some of my favorite looking futuristic ones that I was able to generate with the prompt that I provided it. Now, the main use case that I'm going to be used to implement this as data analyst is in data storytelling. And that's so powerful and needs to be used in order to convey your point. So I'm always talking about my app that shows you the top skills for data nerds. And let's say I wanted to make a presentation around this and how it help you get a job. Well, now I can go to ChatGPT, give it a few prompts, and maybe show some imagery around somebody not having a job all the way to landing their dream job. From there, I can copy and paste these images and put it into whatever I need, whether that's PowerPoints or even training material. And now, instead of having some boring slides, I have spiced it up and actually showed some imagery to better convey my point. All right, so what use cases do you think you have for this plugin? All right, see you in the next one.